The objective today is to finish up standard deviation. It would help if the pen were red. Standard deviation. Okay, here's the list of numbers. 4, 12, and 16. 4, 12, and 16. Find the standard deviation. What's the first thing we have to do? Add them all up. So 4, 12 is going to be 16, plus 16 is 32. Then what do I do? Divide by 3. That's the number of numbers in the list. That'll give us x bar, which is mean. So figure out what 32 divided by 3 is and round to the tenths place. What does it come out to be? 10.7. Alright, now for each item in the list, you have to subtract the mean. So 4 minus 10.7, 12 minus 10.7, and 16 minus 10.7. What do I do to each of those after I do subtraction? You have to add everything, but even before that, what do I have to do? Put them in parentheses and square each one. Now what do I do to all of that after I add them up? Divide by 3, the number of numbers in the list, and then what do I do to the whole thing? Square root. Okay. So let's do the top part first. It comes out to be 74.67. Leave that in your calculator and divide by 3. That comes out to be 24.89. Leave it in your calculator and find the square root. Round to the tenths place, and when you do that here, it comes out to be 5.0. Find the standard deviation for this list, and it is 5, 7, and 6. 5, 7, 6. Find the standard deviation and round to the tenths place if necessary. Step 1 is to add these up, 5, 12, 18, and divide by 3 to get 6, which is the mean. So it's 5 minus 6, square that, plus 7 minus 6, square that, plus 6 minus 6, square that, divide everything by 3 because that's the number of numbers in the list, and square root everything. This is a negative 1, square it to get 1. That's a 1, square it to get 1. And that's a 0, square it to get 0. If I add those together, I get 2. So I have the square root of 2 divided by 3. 2 divided by 3 is 0.6 repeating. And then you're going to come up with the square root of that, which is 0.8.